Are you sending out emails? You better make sure you're doing this. Even if you believe you've done everything right, if you're sending an email and it has a link to go somewhere, the first thing you must do before you send it is check that link. Yeah, I know, you think the link is working just fine. Until it's not. It can be so frustrating to send out an email and find out later, oops, the link didn't work. It is so nice when people let you know, hey, the link isn't working. But it's so much better to check that before you send it. It's super easy. There's usually a preview of the email, and then you click that and you check the link. And once you've done that, you'll have a peace of mind knowing that your links work and that people will have access to your offer. Hey, that's just one of the things that you really need to make sure of before you send an email, and there's so many other things that you need to have in place to make sure your emails are being the most effective that they can be. If you're like, oh, what are those things? What do I need to do? Then jump into my email marketing workshop. The price is super reasonable, and you're going to get a ton of value. Worksheets, calendars, the works. Coming up next is a QR code. Scan it and check it out.